Alright, so this is the kitchen bag, as I was telling you earlier, back over there. Wait, hold on. Just kitchen bag. Let's go through it. So this is everything that I might need to get by, eating wise. I put it into this bag, so I kind of know that it's all in there. It really fits in a certain way that I know if I'm missing something, which is important because you don't want to be rolling up somewhere and go like, oh great, no coffee or no wine opener. Thank God it's a twist off. Anyway, so first off, jet boil or any water boiling device. Basically what this consists of is gas, flame thingy, goes on top of the gas, and you put this on top of that, water in it, boils water. You can use coffee, freeze-dried food, just washing dishes, just boiling water to make it potable. What else we got in the bag of tricks? This is the coffee cup slash wine cup slash margarita cup slash, I guess you can put water in it if you wanted to. Crazy person. So, you know, you don't want to waste space. You take cues from the jet boil people, put everything into a thing. You know, the last thing you need is a void space, taking up room, you know, making fun of you while you're riding around. You don't know where the noise is coming from. It's your conscience. Sort of a little bit of cool stuff. Well, bug repellent. You're gonna need that. Muy importante. A lighter. You're gonna need that. How you doing? You are your own woman. You like it? Yes, very. Small, see? Everyone loves the small. If this does break, or it runs out of fuel, you can always use the thingy from this, the gas from this, to light a fire, or, you know, fireworks, or whatever you're doing at the time. So that's sort of a good backup to have. But lighter's good. This is a knife combo with a fork and a spoon. This is the smallest one I could find, and it's pretty cool because it, you know, it goes into like such a small little thing, and then you got your spoon. You know, if you got your spaghetti going on, if you got a steak going on, this opens something. I don't know what it is. I'm sure you could tell me, and I will be very, very impressed. Anyway, knife sharpener, machete sharpener, knife sharpener. Always good to have. What else we got here? Flashlight. It does flashlighting, room lighting, emergency lighting. It's got a magnet, so you can work on your bike and you just stick it to the gas tank if you have a metal gas tank or some other part of the metal. Pretty awesome. A plate. It's also a bowl. Plate. It's also a bowl. It's also a cutting board. Not bad, right? This is something cool. My friend Brad Makepeace sent me this. This is a bag. It's a fireproof bag. So you can put like chicken in here and vegetables and a little bit of oil, wine, a little bit of water, and you can have steamed vegetables, and you just put this on top of the fire, leave it there for a while, you know, just cross your fingers and you'll have some cool stuff. Don't put it directly in the fire, you know, put it fire adjacent, because I've had it break on me before, but it's fantastic. Really, really cool thing, and then you don't have to, you know, everyone is worried about the peeing on the fire ring. Because it's funny, it's also a good way to turn the fire out, but the last thing to touch that grill is pee. So the next thing that's going to touch it is your steak or your chicken or whatever. So keep that in mind. Tongs, again, Brad Makepeace told me about this one. This really came in handy. Yeah. Get the metal ones. chips, because the plasticky end ones, they get really, really hot, and they bend and they're floppy. And that's not cool. Yeah, you don't want that. Well, everyone knows what this is. If you don't, those are for hot dogs. This is sort of like a assorted food thingy. I got a bag, I got some spices for steak, which I'm going to cook up a little bit later. I got some J-Cloths, I believe they're called, brand name. Really good stuff. And coffee, I go with the Starbucks coffee because they're really, really, really small and they're damn good. Oh, sorry. Darn good. Sorry, Brady. I've got a hot sauce. That is hot. I got soy sauce. And then I've got, please be oil, please be oil. It's oil. And I got cooking oil. So that goes all together. And it says, hey, we're going to make some good steaks and stuff. This is for washing up after. You use your little bowl thingy. Hot water from that thingy. Scrub rubby. You got your J-Cloth for, you know, cleaning up. And you're good. Pretty awesome. All this stuff is so great. I'm so happy. Okay, there's all a manner of different fire starters. Or fire aid starters. This is something that Tanner had a few years back, and I didn't know about it, but it's fire paste. It's fantastic. And the great thing about it is it's in a thing. It doesn't take up much room, and the less you have of it, the smaller it gets. So, you know, this is fantastic. It's clear. I don't know why that matters. I put it in a little case so that other things don't puncture it, and then you've got fire paste everywhere, which sounds like a really good Bruce Willis movie. Fire paste. This is a measuring cup because some of those freeze-dried foods ask for totally different measurements of water, so it's always good to, you know. And it also doubles as a wine cup for Brady because he never brings a cup or wine. Wow, I could just not bring this and he wouldn't drink any of my wine. That's good. So this is Chris from Tacoma told me about this one. It's fantastic. It's a pot and a pan. You got a little thingy here. Got a little thingy here. So pan. There's freeze-dried food. Again, always keep things full. Don't have voids in your packing kit because that's the stuff you could be. I mean, if you had a whole bunch of voids, that could add up to acoustic guitar that you could bring along, which is actually just a huge void in and of itself. So scratch that by mistake. So yeah, trying to stay away from voids. There's just all these cool things, you know. It's really great. That's the camping thing. That's the end. Wine's next. I'm gonna cook up the steak. It's gonna be fantastic. So if you've liked everything, or if you only like 50% of this stuff, like it, then subscribe on the subscribe button, which is I think right there. Come and join us for more. So we've got a thing coming down the pipe. June 1st, we're releasing the first 2 episodes of a 4-part series. Thank you. Goodbye.